Okay, playing around with this. If you sight down the wheels there, you got the front wheel, look at it, you bring it until the sidewall just touches, until your vision goes away on the front wheel, and you see the back wheel is about a ½ inch over, and the front of the tire is just barely wider than the back of the tire. You go on this side here, you do the same thing, and you see that the front tire is actually 3/4 of an inch, ½ inch over, and the back tire is a little bit more of the front showing in the back. So we got the back tire going this way, just like one flat. Here, the front end is not in line with the rear. The wheel needs to be offset this way on the back, or the front going the other. Usually bikes are heavy on the left side, so you want the rear tire going this way. Probably about a ½ inch over would do it. This frame has been broken and welded back together, so it's not exactly straight. Yeah, it's more than a ½ inch off. Yeah, it's probably 3/4 of an inch over, I bet. Yeah, if you measure this thing, this front end is fucking like that. Okay, I think it'll go relatively straight down the track the way it is. It's going to be dogleg a little bit, which is going to cause speed. But I think we're close. I moved it probably a turn more on this one side. It was really bad before. Okay, so yeah, handling chassis. Wonder why. Frame screwed up, wheel loose. What more could you ask for? Perfect race bike. Tighten axle, good and tight. Tight axles are good. Okay. Sure it works again. Chain isn't chunking quite as bad either, so that's a good sign. Sprocket's probably closer now. Clip back in. Okay. Now if the teeth on the sprocket were digging into the chain, that'd be clunky noise. That's where the teeth are coming out, hitting on the chain. I don't hear as much chunking now as I did before. See, not making that noise like it was, so of course the tight chain does that anyway, but alright, I think we got the back of the bike handled. Okay, front done, back done, middle done. I gotta do a dead man switch for sure. I think that's the last stuff I gotta worry about. Yeah, I think everything else is good to go on this bike. Okay, hey, it's only 12:30. Yeah, supposed to have left a ½ hour ago. Oh well, right on time. That's why you get to be up all night. Alright, we'll be back.